Just 12 minutes ago, a 5.2 magnitude earthquake struck near Faīẓabād, Badakhshan, Afghanistan. The tremor was recorded around noon on Wednesday, May 3, 2023, at 1:51 p.m. local time, at an intermediate to considerable depth of 188 kilometers below the surface. The event was filed by the German Research Center for Geosciences (GFZ), the first seismological agency to report it. A second report was later issued by France's RéNaSS National de Surveillance Sismique, RéNaSS, which listed it as a magnitude 5.7 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 5.2, and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC) at magnitude 5.2.